Hey lovelies, welcome back. Today we are going to make some spicy, sweet and spicy mandazi. Today we are daring ourselves to have it sweet and spicy. So welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you are really welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your support, guys. So we are going to use 4 cups of all-purpose flour, 4 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt. Now you mix this in nicely, properly, and we add in a half cup of sugar. You can go less if you do not like a lot of sugar, or you can go more if you desire more. So yes, we are going to use tea masala. Please, if you have tea masala, use tea masala. We're going to use 2 teaspoons of tea masala and a half teaspoon of black pepper, some lemon zest. Yes, we want it with, today we want to make it with a bit of heat. So yes, if you don't like heat, you can as well, omit this. Add in 1.5 cups of warm water. If you desire milk, you can as well go on and add in your warm milk. Now you mix this in there nicely. Add in some lemon juice. I use 2 tablespoons of lemon juice here. Now you're going to mix this in properly. Okay, so you mix this in there nicely. Now you are going to add in a bit of water. This water is still part of our 1.5 cups. You just add in gradually. You go on ahead and you knead with your hands. So at this point, I'm going to add in some margarine. If you have butter, please use melted butter. And you go in there and start kneading your dough. Now you knead this until it's nice and soft and smooth. So guys, now please add in 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Now when you do this, it's going to help us get that crunch on the outside but very soft on the inside. Yes, that's why I added in a bit of cooking oil at this stage. So you're going to cover this up. You're going to cover this up and let it sit for at least 30 minutes. So yes, after 30 minutes, open this up, and now you're going to remove it from your bowl and add it on your worktop. You can use a worktop, a chopping board, whatever you have. So we are going to cut this into 4 pieces. You cut this twice. Now you're going to first separate each of these parts. And so yes, try to shut this into a circle or a ball, and then you're going to knead this out, and we cut out our shapes. Now, so guys, if you do not have tea masala to make your mandazi spicy, you can use black pepper. You can add in a bit more black pepper than we put in. You add in ginger powder, or you can just grate your ginger. You also add in cardamom, nutmeg, a bit of chili if you want chili, and yes. Now please feel free to make any shape that you desire. For now, I made a circle, and now I'm going to cut. You cut that in the middle, and we make that triangle shape. You can make squares, circles, whatever you prefer. This really stands out for me because it's, it's the original mandazi. So I just decided to go with this. And yeah, you get all the other parts that you cut out, and you do the same. You can make them smaller, or you can make them bigger according to what you desire and how you want to eat it. So in a pan, please add in oil, any amount of oil. I used a liter of oil in this. So add in your when the oil is ready, please add in your your dough and let it cook for at least 10 minutes. Mandazi takes its time because it has to cook all the way. You keep turning it so that it cooks both ways evenly. So guys, as soon as your mandazi brown like this, you take it off the heat because you don't want it to burn. Usually I go a bit I give them a bit of more browning, but today I just decided to give them a light browning. So you take them all off the heat and you let them cool before you bite into them so that you don't burn yourself. So guys, these are our mandazi, very delicious, very yummy, and with a bit of spice. Now you get your chai, you can still make some tea masala milk, and you enjoy with this. Thank you so much guys for watching. God bless you. Ciao.